This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Great.
Oh.
Does my hair look okay? I feel like...
I think you should wear a hat.
Oh, you hate my hair that much?
No, I don't hate your hair that much. I just think it looks good with a hat. Oh, you're wearing a backwards hat. Wow.
Yeah, so people can see my face. Should I start outside the frame and then join?
No, that's okay.
So I can look at the camera. See, I'll look at you. I don't know.
Well, now you're making it awkward.
You're gonna make it awkward. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you know this off by heart yet? I'm Alexandra. No, I'm Alexandra.
Yeah, okay.
I'm Alexandra, and today is a really exciting video. I am with a very special guest.
Two special guests.
Yeah, Lots and Noah. If you don't already know, Noah is my partner, my boyfriend, my better half. We have some very exciting news.
What is it?
Are you gonna say it?
Oh, I thought we were cutting.
No. Lots is like, get me out of this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Really?
Hello? Speaking. I'm in the middle of something. Thanks. Bye. Someone calling on behalf of Talus.
Okay.
Okay. Take two.
Take two. We have a very exciting announcement.
Very, very exciting.
We're
We're moving. Oh. Okay, bye.
moving.
And she's moving out of the shot.
No, she's coming with us.
Right.
We're moving.
We're moving.
And I'm so excited.
Me too.
This is a really big announcement, I think, for everyone. I mean, I feel like I started my whole channel, my career in this apartment. It holds a very special place in my heart, which I'm gonna talk about more in this video, but wanted to have Noah just be here to announce that we're moving. We're so excited. The space we're moving into is beautiful. It's so much bigger than our current places. We're
moving to Vancouver.
No, we're not.
No, wait. Oh, I thought we were moving to Montreal.
No.
You gotta build up to it.
Toronto.
Somewhere else in Toronto.
So we are staying in Toronto. We found a 2-story, but it's kind of 3 because there's like an entryway.
Entryway isn't a story.
But like it kind of is. It's not like we're condensing all our stuff to 2 floors.
Well,
We're moving into a house basically, but it's an apartment within a house. It's 2 stories, 2 bedrooms, a huge living, dining area.
what are you getting that you don't have here?
Laundry,
What else?
and a clawfoot bathtub.
No more questions about like, where's your shower?
Yeah, where's your shower? You
Where's
guys
your
can see
shower?
where my shower is. The kitchen needs some love, but that's a makeover that's gonna happen down the line.
Join us for our apartment tour dropping in, I don't know, when is it dropping?
Next Wednesday.
Wow, that's fast.
Well,
Okay.
like when they see this, it'll be next Wednesday.
Right, we're always working in the future.
Future, yeah,
I
future.
am from the future.
Oh, James is gonna have so much fun with that. It's an empty apartment tour, so you guys get to see it pre-reno, empty, and kind of like before shots before I get in there and start making it over. I obviously have so much makeover content coming.
A lot.
We're doing a few renos to the space. We also have a video coming later on where we talk about decorating for 2 people. I think this is a question I get asked so much, and I hope it's okay that I say it's been a bit of like a journey for us to, I don't know, talk about how we're gonna make the space feel like our own, but also kind of still like honoring what I do, I guess. My brand and my work is like my life, but it's not Noah's. And I know that so many people probably have those same discussions at home. It's like, how do you decorate for 2 people? And so we are gonna answer all of your questions and kind of talk about our process decorating the space. We are keeping the sofa, the purple sofa.
That was a key part of the negotiation.
Yeah, so I actually listed this sofa on my Instagram and then kind of had a weird moment where I was like, I need to keep the sofa. And Noah just got a brand new sofa for his living room, but we've donated it to a close friend who
Gifted it. Yeah.
Yeah, a few other elements in the space are staying, and then we're also bringing in lots of pieces of Noah into the space too. So
Big changes. Yeah.
So we are moving in like 2 weeks. But when you guys see this, we'll have already moved and settled into our new place. We're doing renos for about a week, and then we're gonna start decorating it kind of like room by room.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you very much for being a part of the beginning of this video. I am now going to take over.
Okay.
I feel like you really want to stay. You want to stay? Okay, you can stay. You can stay.
No, it was really awkward, honestly.
No, you weren't awkward at all. Do you want to stay?
It's easier if I don't, honestly.
Okay, bye. I wanted to take a quick pause and talk to you about this week's sponsor, Squarespace. So if you guys don't know, Squarespace is the one-stop shop for all of your small business needs. It's where you can create a website for your brand, create a storefront or a blog. I quite literally run a lot of my business using Squarespace. So I have my virtual makeover packages. All of that is done through the website. So I send people their virtual design packages, I set up meetings, it's all done in one place, and it's so easy for me to navigate as a small business owner. I have a press section where I put all of the articles I've been included in. I have my TED Talk up there, brands that I've worked with. To me, it's like a portfolio in many ways. There's no coding needed, no HTML, super user friendly for someone like me who has a small business but has a million things that they have to do. Make sure you head to squarespace.com and use my code in the description box, and it'll be right on screen for 10% off your first website or domain. Now let's get back to the episode. I wanted to pay homage to the treehouse and talk a little bit about the process for me of moving out of this space and deciding to move out of it, because it's made me think about home in kind of maybe not a different way, but I think it's because home is really important to me. And this treehouse has been a place where I have gained a lot. I've also lost a lot. It's been a place to really like make me feel safe and comforted. And leaving that and making the decision to leave this space was really hard, even though I was like so excited about the next chapter. But I want to thank you guys so much for being on this journey and watching me live out like my dreams in this space. I am sad, but I'm also so excited for this next chapter and to document the process of us turning our new place into a home and make it feel as special as the treehouse does. This space is also what kind of helped influence my style, and I got to experiment with like tons of different designs and pieces in this space. There was My Rental Reno season 1, and oh my gosh, how this space looks now is so different than it looked like 2.5 years ago when I moved in. I also built my business from this tiny dining room table, and for a while I actually didn't even have a dining room table. I was working on my sofa. Alana was here working 1 to 2 days a week. We were on my sofa on the floor, and to think that I've built my business and how much it's expanded in the past 2.5 years in this space is so incredible. We filmed Buy or DIY in here. We also planned the studio from this space. I lived in this space by myself for a while, which was a pretty, empowering experience, and having a space that really felt like my own, where I could live out my independence and pick whatever I wanted and make it just feel like the pinkest, cutest palace there ever was something that I will always treasure, and I just feel so grateful that I've had that experience. I also brought Lonnie home. This is her first home. I can't even handle how cute she was as a kitten in this space. Harriet also moved with me from my parents' house with Marty. Harriet lived out her old senior days in this space. We love Marty. I still think about Marty all the time. He also enjoyed this treehouse for a while. He did break his arm by like jumping off the deck. Anyways, the number of television segments and articles this treehouse was a part of: Apartment Therapy, Domino. We were on the Rachel Ray Show. I say we, like me and my kitchen, were on the Rachel Ray Show. So many amazing opportunities have come out of this home, and I kind of pictured myself in this apartment for a long time. I kind of thought like, I'm gonna be here for like 10 years. And I feel like so many people probably feel this way about their spaces too, you know? It's like you got attached to them, you have experiences in them, and then life happens and things change and you have to move on. And I'm so excited to start decorating a new space and make a new space feel even more like home. Thank you guys so much for following along, for accepting Noah into this community, and thank you so much to everyone who has followed me when this whole channel started, which was pretty much when I moved into this new apartment. So much more amazing content coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed. Next Wednesday we have an empty apartment tour and then renos start, and I will be documenting all of that so you don't want to miss it. Thank you guys so much. I feel like I should be crying right now. I'm not really.
You wanna cry?
No, I've cried a lot. I've cried a lot. You guys, the treehouse is empty. Looks so much smaller actually. This is it, the kitchen. This is coming with me. I changed out all the knobs. Danny Burger shelves are staying. This plant is staying for the next tenant because she just belongs in here. That's a wrap on the treehouse.
On to bigger places. I'm not gonna say better.
Bigger and better places for sure. But I'm so grateful for this space.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.